गुरुवरनाम पावननाम नित्य गुरुनाम गुरु नानक नाम गुरुवरनाम पावननाम गुरुवरनाम पावननाम गुरुवरनाम पावननाम गुरुवरनाम पावननाम.
Yes. Today we will move to the next level of completion. How many of you were able to very comfortably feel that completion is happening inside you? When you are reliving, when you are going through this, means how to find whether completion is happening inside you or not, I'll tell you the scale. 1, the panic attack, the TRP, the thought revolution per second, means mood swings, and I should call TPS or TRPS, thoughts per second, thought vibrations per second, that will start coming down. You will feel more and more you are in the restful awareness. That is the first scale, whether completion is happening or not. Second, the powers will start manifesting. Understand? Whenever incompletions are completed, you can't be neutral. That naturally that Kundalini Shakti has to manifest as powers. This is the 2 scale. 1, more and more restful awareness, means the thought per second, TPS will come down. Second, powers will start manifesting. How many of you are feeling, you see, yesterday only we started the completion. How many of you are feeling that the ball has started rolling in you? You are feeling things have started moving in you. Raise your hand, let me see. Good. Actually, I expect only 40% in first day. I am having more than that. Today, I am going to lead you into the deeper level of completion. Today, whole day session, my session only, so I'll be sitting with you guys. Only, I think yoga you already finished. That's the reason I told them finish yoga. So once I come and sit, whole day I'll be with you, leading you into completion. It will be like I'll give you instruction, then there will be one Shaktipada, then after that again next instruction, then there will be one Shaktipada, like a step by step I will lead you into the deepest core levels of completion. And whenever you want to go for restroom and anything, you go and come back. We will not have a separate break. See, let us not waste time in separate break. One good thing is even in the restroom you can hear the class here. It is done in such a way, even if you go to restroom, you can hear the class. So whenever you want to go and pick up your cup of tea or go for 1, 2, 3, anything you can go and come. Let us not have separate breaks. Is it okay for you guys? And when I am speaking, you can go and come, but don't go when there is a Shaktipada. See, when I am asking you to sit and when there is a Kundalini awakening, at that time don't go. Don't miss the Shaktipada, because at that time your body need to be stable. Of course, through Kundalini awakening, if your body moves, that is different. But you need to be available. You need to be available. So, I am just going to introduce you to you. A simple introduction to you, about you, so that you can find out how the incompletions are controlling your life, how the compulsive behaviors, how the compulsive thought currents are pulling you and pushing you this side and that side. See, this is like a all of us put together, our cartoon, Aam Aadmi. Listen, please listen. Whatever ideas you have about yourself within you, those ideas put together is called inner image. Understand? Not what you talk about you to others. Please listen. First, you can listen. I'll give you printout so you don't have to waste your time on taking notes. Please listen. Actually, if you listen, the whole thing will go inside you. End of the program, you need enlightened being, not enlightened notebook. Understand? And this whole class notes I'll tell her to give you as a printout. We have even come up as a book. The whole thing I'll give you as a book. And not only every concept I'm explaining, yesterday all the mantras I uttered, the sutra, original verse I gave you, all that printout will give you. You can have everything. And one more thing I want to tell you. Most of these sessions are already available in the YouTube. See, in Vedic tradition we are very clear. Knowledge is free. All the sessions, actually after 3-4 days if you Google, all these sessions will be already in the YouTube. All the knowledge, we share it with the world free. Only when you want to experience, you want to come here, then we ask you to give something, so this Dharma Chakra can be kept alive. Otherwise, every session I take, including the meditation techniques for third eye awakening, or the kriyas for third eye awakening, everything you are practicing here is already in the YouTube. If you go to our YouTube, you will see all the 200 kriyas. And now we have started a new Facebook group. All the 1008 asanas with original Shastra reference, everything we have uploaded. How many of you saw that Facebook? There is a Facebook page called Nityananda Yoga. Go there. Everything you are doing morning in the Nityananda Yoga, this Malakamba Yoga, everything with the original verse and English translation, my commentary, my input, with everything it is already up. You can go and use it. It is freely available. And also, all the food you are eating, the original Bhagashastra, Sadashiva's own words and English translation and the recipe, how to make, is already available. See, exactly what you need to do during the session, just sit and try to drink the whole thing. So that when I am teaching itself, the Shaktipada happens in you. You don't have to waste your time in diverting anything. This whole thing, if you want to remember and relook, I'll put it in your chat group. Use that. But now, be in this moment and drink the whole thing.